then. Here we go. Alright.
You want to take
first spot, and gonna be taking some fire photos of a whole bunch of vehicles. It's gonna take some time, but it's gonna be so dope, so dope. Yee. The good thing about this spot is that it's well spaced out. You guys know I like well spaced, or like a lot of space when doing photography. You guys know that we like, what? God damn it!
Set of time.
Oh, it's wool time. Okay, so follow JR. He's gonna go on the other side of these.
Yep.
Brick walls.
Google what those fucking things are later. They're blocks. See how I spaced everybody out?
Yeah.
Be kind of like that, and just on the other side.
Got it.
Yeah, or I'll take that actually. Yeah, listen to me. Do what I say. What? All right, so I'm gonna have you. So them two are gonna park in this little set. Yep. You can go to the other side, the farther one. Yeah, just honestly, you can just point your car. Definitely point your car in this direction over here, but just tilt it just a little bit. You guys know that I like a lot of space when it comes to shooting cars, because usually it's going to be like several cars all at once. So right now we have one over there, two on this side, and then three. I don't really have to tell them to move anywhere. I just start shooting. That's my tip. Again, it's the same tip as last time, guys. Same tip. Hey, Hose, you want to vlog it again? The button. You remember the button.
The button.
What I was telling him is, let's just hold for a solid year, but then it'll start to come loose.
Yeah.
So you just pop this thing off, this whole piece out.
Yeah.
What I ended up doing is just getting a bunch of little like bolts with nuts on the side and just flip it over and just clamp it down.
I don't know about you, I'm cold as fuck.
I'm cold as shit too. I regret not bringing my big jacket.
Yeah.
A little introduction.
Oh, I'm Aaron.
IG tag.
You can follow me at Aaron_WRX. That's my card over there.
Fire right there.
Jose still drives a monster truck.
Go fuck yourself.
Alright, make it as good as my WRX Channel.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you better get those cinematics, Jose.
And I feel good.
Hey, I put that in.
Did you?
Yeah.
I heard it didn't post because the power went out.
We're getting all that fire.
The fire.
Right here. I know, I just get like 20 minutes. Yeah. How's it? You ready to drive that slow car?
Hey! It's fucking rude.
Jose, what are we doing?
Cars, shots, photos.
Oh, okay.
Stuff.
Oh, look at that. That's pretty cool. We're all lined up, ready to race. Winner takes all. I think this BRZ right here,
Pink flips.
it's gonna win.
BRZ gets a head start.
Yeah, it's got a 10-car head start. And everybody else has to drive in reverse.
It might still lose.
Jesus Christ.
So we're gonna do a race and see who's faster. Look at the back ends on these bad boys. It's raining a little bit, but it's not too bad. Did a little color coordination here. Fortunately, I have a BRZ, and all these guys are evil eyes. Ooh, look at that. What a beautiful sight. JR back there, getting some more B-roll. We're gonna head to one more spot, and I think that'll be it for the day. Stop right there. Good. Right there. Keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Right there. And right there. Perfect. The cinematicness.
Time lapse.
Time lapse, yeah. All right, we're at the next location. It's got a little bit of water action. So I'm gonna stage my car here, get that nice little background back there. I'll probably put 2 more cars on this side, and then 3 cars. This beautiful scenery here. All right, I'm gonna get to work. Got them all staged. My WRX channel, Jose, me. We have way over there. Oh, I forgot I can zoom in here. Sergio, Aaron, and Paul. All right. Fuck. We're gonna get to work. Start doing the shoots or shots. God damn my English. Brand new, straight from China. Straight from China. It's legit. That's where they all come from. I know, right?
Who's that girl I see?
All right, so we got one more group shot, and then we're good to go. We're gonna go get some food. We always get some food. Lock to your left a little bit. Back up. Straighten out. Go back. Thanks.
Dude, this is gonna be a good one.
Successful day of shooting. Rain. Oh, there's a little bit of rain on it. We're gonna go get some food. Finished up the group shot. Fortunately, I am still the only BRZ. Hopefully there's other BRZs out there. Come play with me. I'll put some of the photos inside this vlog after I edit them. And just like normal. And yeah, we will get that going. See you later, brother. that'll be the end of this vlog, this photo shoot vlog, and catch you on the next one.
No, redo. Just do that.
You can follow me at Aaron Shit.
Peace out. Keep moving backwards.
That's what he does to people that he raises.